Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We are here at the LINQ Hotel Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. Let's take a look at this. Fire map. Security good. Got some little stuff like that. Not that big of a deal. Got this. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Got this sliding door right here for the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Not bad size. Here's the toilet. Flush it. Nice pressure. Mirror. Sup. Got our sink. Hand wash. Lotion. Hair dryer. Shower. Bath shower curtain rod. Shampoo. Conditioner. Body wash. Get rid of water. Water pressure is okay here. Room, 2 double beds. This is the cheapest room. I paid. Here's our double beds. This was the cheapest room. I paid $9 a night plus a $50 a night resort fee. That's cool. Art right here. Lamp. Our thermostat. Old desk area. Carpet. Got this whole wardrobe. We got this whole thing going down here. And we got our probably call a 40-inch LG TV. The lampshades, all the lampshades in here do have stains on them. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. Room 5070. Oh yeah, stains on the lampshades. The bed. Bed's not bad. Have I stayed on better beds? Yes, but not bad at all. They do give you one thing to note. They do give you 2 pillows per bed. So just me in here, so I jacked all their pillows. But let's see, give you more pillows per bed. Got a lamp. P-TAC unit. Here's our accent wall right here. It's dark right now, but literally, I don't have no view, just staring at the other side of the hotel building. Give another pan of the room. In terms of amenities and location, you can't beat this. This is definitely a solid option to stay here in Vegas. Closet area, safe. Closet area, got a little curtain here. Safe. Alright. It looks like there would be a mini fridge there, but for whatever reason, my room does not have one. I'm staying here with some people, and they have a room with a king bed, and it has a mini fridge. So take that into consideration. No microwaves in the rooms. I don't know about the safe, but yeah, no mini fridge. My buddy's room with a king bed does have a mini fridge. And yeah, staff has been good. Check in was fine. Just here for 2 nights. So yeah, going to be in the center, actually on the strip, close to everything. And this place is priced pretty good. So yeah, give another pan in the bathroom. And yes, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. KWL.